What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today we got a banger video. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because we got a banger equation. All right, this is the equation today. We got the Lectric XP right here, 3,000 watts. We got the Super73 mid-drive upgraded, and if I can catch the speed demon, we have Urban Chris. Yeah. Yeah. I think we're gonna go hit up Venice Beach or maybe Santa Monica, go for a little cruise, grab some food, catch some vibes. And man, I hope you guys can watch the video to the end because this is about to be a banger. Let's get into the joint. The only thing that can mess up today's vibe is a freaking flat, okay? Please, God, do not give your boy a flat today, okay? I want to have a good time riding with my boy, and that would just ruin everything, okay? He does have a tire patch kit, but let's just not even use that. I didn't end up getting a flat on the Lectric XP 2 days ago. It was only just like 2 staples, so I put slime in it. Hopefully it'll hold, but we'll see, man. On the sidewalk with it. You know how dudes be on the freeway and they'll like honk 3 times and then they take off? Let's do that. Like a rolling race, you know what I'm saying? Here you go. 1, 2, 3, go. Damn, he got me, dude. Jesus. Yeah, he got way more acceleration. That sucks. I hate having a slow bike. Dude, I hate having a slow bike. I thought my bike was fast, dude. Nah, man. Nah, I'm about to get a mid-drive. You got me messed up. You got me messed up. I'm throwing a mid-drive, a front motor on this joint. I'm about to have 3 motors on this joint. Hey, and I don't want to hear no complaints in the comments about illegal activity, okay? I know. This is how you drive when you in LA, okay? Everybody drives and rides like this, okay? Illegal activities, look at that. They did it illegal, look. No U-turn, look. No U-turn sign, and they hit a U-turn. So y'all don't complain in my comments. Go to that car's comments and complain. Nice. I like it. This is dope. This is tight. I like it. Wheelie progress. Here you go. There you go. Ah. It's so scary. Hold on. Here we go. Ah. There it is. Ah. Hey, that's all I got right now. I haven't mastered the whole, you know, balancing the brake. Cause I'm scared to go higher, right?
Yeah. I wouldn't have looped it if
see what I'm saying? Like that's high.
If I swap these on this side, then I can do better rhythms.
Oh, yeah.
It's always busy. You know?
Yeah, and I feel like if I had a thumb throttle with better brakes, I can like feather a little bit better. This I gotta kind of like twist the whole way. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, that's on camera. And here we are. Which beach is this?
Venice.
Venice? It's my first time in Venice. Venice Beach, guys. Look at all the bird scooters. Dirty as hell. Don't ever get on those bird scooters. Them shit says dirty. Dude, I was riding a bird scooter last weekend. It might have been the dirt. It had to have COVID on that scooter. Let's see if this puppy can really ride on sand. Yeah, right. You got me messed up.
If I try it, I'm wiping out.
Yeah, you're done. You're done. I just don't even want sand all in my stuff. Yeah, shout out to all the people that's riding on sand though. You keep doing you. Good vibes. Nice little setup. Oh, I like it. That was sick. That's a vibe right there. Look, he got the little Super73. Nice. Chauver films. That was Chauver, right? That was a Chauver? They got the skaters over here grooving. Okay, let me get my skates. I know how to do that. Roll, bounce. Huh? Yeah, we can. Take a look at it real quick. Get some content. We're gonna go check out the skate park. See if I can take the Lectric XP in there. I'll just play. I ain't gonna do it. I ain't trying to get arrested. We got Urban Grizzly right here. Tell us about the bike. What is it, first of all?
This is the Super73 ZX.
ZX. Newest one, stock-wise. How does it come stock?
Stock-wise, take off the mid-drive, take off the front battery, and that's stock. 26 miles an hour was the fastest I was able to get it up to.
Okay.
But on the website it states 28. Maybe if you're a lighter rider, you can get 28. You know, as far as I'm concerned, 26. You know, I'm 220 pounds.
Yeah. I'm 210.
It's still a single speed, didn't change nothing really. All I did was add to it.
Okay, so it comes as a single speed.
Yeah.
So no derailleur. I kind of like that. I kind of like it's simple because like with a derailleur, it kind of like rattle around and stuff. Motor wise, what size motor is the stock one?
That's a 500 watt motor.
500 watt?
I think it peaks at 1350 or something.
Oh, okay. So that's pretty decent. You said, now this is a what?
That's a 52 volt,
52
20 amp hour.
52 volt, 20 amp hour, mid-drive wise. What are we working with?
Mid-drive is a BBS HD, 1000 watt.
1000 watt.
From Luna. But you can get them from other places for cheaper and upgrade your controller later. Okay. But if you want to slap the mid-drive on with the battery, you'll get 30 miles an hour. Okay. And you'll get, you know, the added range too. You get the added range. So
you said 1000 watts, right?
Yeah.
So we need to take this sticker off. Nah, just nah, just we gotta keep it legal. You know, they don't know. They don't know what we got. So controller wise, upgraded controller.
Controllers right here, right underneath. I try to keep it stealth.
Okay, that's nice.
That is a ASI BAC 855.
ASI BAC 855. How many what is it, amps? How many amps max can you put through that?
90 amps max or 4,000 watts.
Jesus. Now is it programmable or is just off top? It's just 90 amps.
Programmable.
Programmable.
Programmable to any size battery. You can get up to 72 volts.
Okay, yeah. That's dope. Moving up to the top, we got dual throttles. I like this setup. You can use one motor if you want. You can use the other one if you want, or you can press them both at the same time. Now, when you press them joints at the same time, you gonna take off. It's like super speed. The grips is nice. These are aftermarket, or it came with like this?
That's a Luna. Came with the kit.
Okay, so this came with the Luna kit. He threw hydraulic brakes, so it does not come stock with hydraulic brakes.
It comes with mechanical disc brakes.
Okay, it comes with mechanicals. He threw the hydraulics. Anything else you gonna add to it? What you think?
In the future, man.
Or you don't want to give it away?
You know what? That's good. You said that.
Yeah.
A lot of people already know. There's gonna be more juice on this bike. Yeah. Eventually.
Yeah. So yeah, just stay tuned. I'm gonna link his channel in the description if you guys want to follow his journey with this bike or any other bike that he got coming. But yeah, it's a beast, and I'm gonna hop on it probably at some point. So we'll get a first-person view of the ride. All right. go. It'd probably be easier like this, huh? Ah! Yeah, maybe. I should probably try just standing up. Ah! Dude, did you get that? I hope you got that, dude. Yeah, we wilding out here. We don't know how to act. Hanging around with Urban Grizzly. I don't know how to act when I got a riding buddy. When I got somebody to ride with, dude, it's just way more funner. Dude, I got all them bikes in my garage. I ain't got no friends. Hold on, we gotta stop and get some gas real quick. Psych. I almost hit your ass. Dude. I gotta remember that these brakes don't work. I'm over here speeding, I almost ran into him. Hello? You said what?
I said it's Luna, your neighbor.
Oh, what's up, Luna?
Hey, your garage is open, bro.
Is it?
Yeah, you want me to close it?
Yeah, please. I didn't know I left it open.
It's that middle one, right?
Does it have bikes in it? Dude, shut up.